Good morning, everyone. It's currently 3:30 in the morning. I am about to go to the airport. I don't know why I look so white. Like, damn, I look like Jesus is gonna get me. What the heck is this? So yeah, I'm gonna be leaving soon to go to the airport, and yeah, join me in my Miami trip. So, what the? Hey guys, good morning. So we're at Newark right now. The line is crazy. There's so many. Say hi. Yeah, the line is just packed. It's crazy. So it's currently 4:25. Our flight is at 6:30, so we still have a lot of time. We just have to check in this bag, and then we're all set. We're excited. So we're at security right now. There's a lot of people. Oh. Hey guys, so we just finished the security and now we're walking to our gate. Our gate is gonna be at B44. I think that's the only thing that is open. That's why it's like the line is like this. Look how long the line is. Yeah, it's gonna be over soon. And yeah, our dreams are coming true. We're going out. But yeah, we're gonna sit for now. I think it's only 5 something today. She's starting her hunt already. She said, "Let's look for boys." I'm like, "Let's go." She's on the hunt. Look. What the?
Karen, I'm not satisfied. I'm not happy.
Unang kagat. Bread lahat.
Huling kagad.
Wait,
Morning,
wait.
woke up for calling on Delta Flight 26 with nonstop service to Atlanta here at gate 46A. My name is Esmeralda, and I'm going to be your gate agent for today, and I'm glad to see you and look forward to taking care of you.
So now it's just gonna be a waiting game. It's currently 5:12. Our doors are gonna be opening in 5:45. And yeah, I think the plane is there already. Actually, probably just cleaning it. And it's currently 5:40. We have like 5 minutes till the gate opens, so we're excited. Hey guys, so we're about to board right now. It's a little bit delayed, probably like 2 minutes. So people are lining up already. I'm so excited. So we're going in the airplane now. Oh my god, look at that. Hey. God, I miss this feeling. So hey guys, we're sitting at the airplane now. And our the girl that we were checking in, so the girl, she was so nice that she gave us an exit row. So our thing is so, look up the leg space, like literally leg space. And I have the window seat so you guys can see. Say hi, Joanie. Say hi. I'll see you later. Why are we seated here?
We're special.
Yeah.
We have special needs.
Two door exits in the rear of the cabin.
So the flight is gonna be 3 hours, and I'm excited to go to Miami, and I'm gonna show you the takeoff in a while. Update on our trip. We're around 35 minutes away. It's just the lighter there. I think 30 more minutes and we're off to Miami. How beautiful the clouds are. My touched it.
Your assistance in preparing the cabin for landing. At this time, please stow.
So they announced that there's gonna be a little turbulence. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Let's see. My view though, look at my view. So beautiful. Look how cool that is. I think we're close. I can see Miami from there. We're so close now, so we're definitely landing. Oh, that's the airport, I see. So we're gonna be landing now. Hopefully, it's not gonna be a bad impact. Close, so close, so close, so close, so close. Let's see. Wow, I think it's smooth. Wow. That was a smooth one. Woo! That was a good one. We didn't feel anything. That was so good. So we're here now. We're just waiting to open the gate and we're leaving. So we're just waiting for our ride, and yeah, it's a little bit gloomy here, so hopefully it gets sunny later. So we're in Miami South Beach. So we're probably gonna eat some tacos right now, and yeah, join.
Okay, so there are a few. So we have a blackbird, which is more into brickle.
Chips and salsa. So this is our food.
This is good. I like it.
It's terrible.
The food is
But
so
checking in,
good.
how's
I'm
the
like,
food?
so this is the Versace mansion. Look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. So we're just walking around Miami. We just decided to walk for like 30 minutes just to like look around the place. And yeah, it's a little bit cloudy, so it's not that cold, and it's drizzling a little bit, so it gives you a little bit of, I don't know. So I think it's called Lincoln Center. I don't know, but this is like a strip of shopping malls. It's cute. So we're currently at a Nike store. Look how cool that is. It's so beautiful in here. So yeah, I'm in Miami Nike. And we're still having fun. This is my outfit for today. Hi to my vlog. So we're at Gap right now. We're just basically store hopping. And we're gonna be in the men's section. Maybe shop around with our eyes. Because we're lovely. Get the Mexican restaurant. And of course, my friend wants Starbucks, so we're going to Starbucks right now. Okay. Dr. Martens, and yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks right now and get some. Say hi. This goes. Starbucks right now. So the sun is out. The titties are out.
Titties are out.
Giovanni, I'm gonna post this.
Alright.
Yeah, so the sun is out right now. We're walking back to the. Hey, yeah.
Posts are out.
We're walking back to the parking lot. Maybe go to the beach. Hotel, it's so big in here. Beautiful. Hey guys, so it's gonna be dinner time. This is gonna be my outfit. It's just so cute. Look at that. And yeah, we're gonna go to like the standard dinner here. I don't know where, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna join you. I'm not gonna show. I'm gonna show you. Join me, okay? So we're going to the parking garage right now, and we're gonna, as I said, go to the dinner. Okay, so like everyone's outfit though. Look good, look good. Yes, Papa. So basically, we're here to enjoy and yes, traffic. Hey. We're at the standard right now. It looks so beautiful. So hey guys, we're gonna be staying at the standard. I'm kidding. This is just the hotel. It's so beautiful again. So we're eating at the little Bayside and Grove. Look how beautiful that is. I'm so excited to eat this food.